Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome, thank you so much for joining me. This is Smash Our Stash, and this month's theme was scraps. And what I decided to do was make embellishments for themes that I've been working on lately. So I did a whole bunch of seashells. I used quite a few of the seashells, but you'll see those on my video that comes out in 2 more days. I have a whole bunch of dog houses out of a variety of scraps and like a million dogs. I was just hanging out with my members and die cutting and stamping and having a great time. So a whole bunch of these are solid cardstock. This one's like a little bit modeled, but it's just a cardstock. And then this one was a patterned paper. I don't know if you can tell, it has a faint stripe. So I've got some striped dogs. And then this one was leftover beachy sand paper and a couple of different browns that I had. So these are stamp and die. And then some of the others are just die cut. And I used dog light colors. Then I have some where I was fussy cutting. So if you don't have dies, that's okay. Just stamp cute images, get yourself a nice small pair of scissors and cut some things out. I do like this one. I don't know why I didn't do some more of those. Oh, here's another little dog too. Some of these, they were already stamped. I was just doing the fussy cutting. Then I have Woof Woof. You can see I'm getting ready for doing a month or so of pet themed stuff. The other thing I did was I have the different shapes and I just used a scrap that fit that size. Then on these, again, scrap that fit the size, I've layered this one up so you can see the potential. And then when I go to put these in books, I could layer this purpley paper behind this one, or if I'm doing like more of a grunge and brown, I could layer the brown. Part of the reason I have so many of some of these things is because I can layer them up. Let me show you. Here's a dog that I layered up. It has a black one behind it. It'll make it pop off the page. I have lights and darks so that depending on the card or scrapbook page or background for journal page, whatever, I can choose something that's going to pop. Then look at these cats. These are the Tim Holtz cats. And I don't know if you can tell. There's a hair right there. That looks like a Zeusy hair. But I have put some ink around the edge of the heads. So when you die cut them, you can cut the cat and then an extra head to give it a little more dimension. Look at this one. I inked the edges a tiny bit and the ink pad had loose strings on it. Kind of looks amazing. Turned out good for a cat. And then I did some with text and a little spotted kitty, all different. The cats are a little bit wild looking, aren't they? I did some stars, some paws, hearts, and then tags too. Can you see it says BFF on it? These, a bunch of these were stamped on colored cardstock and then die cut. So you get more interesting looks by mixing things up a little on different papers. And I used brighter papers than I might normally because a lot of my pet papers have fun colors in them. So if you bring in blue or green or red, it's playing off the paper. This is a cute stamp. I didn't cut the bottom because maybe I'll want him to sit on a pocket or a tag or something, so I'm going to use that. I just fussy cut around the top. Again, if you don't have dies, you can still make tons of embellishments. Then I did some tags. They're light or white on the back, so we could write on them. But you can just take like one of these and put that on there, and that's cute as can be. Hanging off a page or part of the embellishment on the front of a card. So many options. So I've got layers and layers to mix and match. And by leaving things unattached, I can develop the color scheme of the journal as I go or something like that. So let me show you an example. I can take this light one and put a dog on it, and that's cute. Or if I want to tie it into a blue page, I can put a blue dog on it. So I'm not combining the layers and committing yet, but I have all sorts of parts. Mix and match, like paper dolls, right? I found more scraps. I always think I'm done, but then, you know, there's always more, right? There's always more. And then I found some more cardstock scrap. Let me show you, just in case you're wondering, the This cute dog right here came out of this. Mary gave this to me. It's called Valentine Trio, and it says that, so I don't know if you can find that anymore. And then this set right here, these were Tuesday morning things a while ago, so I don't know where you would get them now, but they were Tuesday morning. And I've really gotten a lot of fun times out of these. This one has a sentiment that says, "You're possum. Sorry you're having a rough day. Woofing you a happy birthday." So I can make some fun cards with them. I also have some cat stamps and sentiments somewhere too. I think there will be a lot of pet cards and journals coming up soon. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out Bourbon Creek Crafts and follow the playlist in the link down below to check out all the videos of the people that are participating in Smash Our Stash. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.